This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Heath. Welcome to your new home at 827 Louise Street. This charming mobile home sits on its own land, offering you the freedom and privacy you desire without the hassle of HOA regulations. Enjoy a huge fenced-in backyard, ideal for entertaining, gardening, or just relaxing in the Florida sunshine. With a public boat ramp nearby, you'll have easy access to all your water adventures. The location is perfect for commuting, with quick access to US 301 and I-75, and you'll love the variety of restaurants just a stone's throw away. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a piece of Florida living. For more information, review the details below.